Good morning, everyone. This is Srikanth Rajan, and welcome back to the Stock Market Podcast from MPIinvest.com. Well, coming to the market yesterday, it was a day full of uh, expectations for most of the members, but then, of course, the expectations were completely cut through by the huge selling that happened in the market. Yes, so yesterday being expiry, the market was expected to be volatile, and that exactly was there. And along with that, the market just fell and finally closed below 19,400. At one point of time, it was at 19,300, but from there, a small recovery by end of the day actually brought it to 19,400. So the markets have actually begun the reversal direction. Of course, the markets are looking bearish right now, thanks to, of course, the reason that we discussed yesterday. If you've not seen that video, do watch that. That will help you understand what is happening with the market right now. So apart from that, if you look at the market, the most important things to be looking at yesterday, the market went generally dragged by the Indian big weights. So heavy weights like Reliance, HDFC Bank, all of them have fallen. So basically, it actually seemed like the FIAs were selling, but interestingly, by end of the day, we could see FIAs have just sold for about 300 crores, whereas DIs have bought for almost 1,700 crores. But then, who sold in the market? So it could be attributed to the expiry related volatility yesterday. So today could be an important day to watch to understand the direction. But where is the end of the fall is a big question. Now, as per the market conditions at this point of time, the weakness is of course due to US, but then interestingly, like we discussed yesterday, even though the weakness is with the US bonds will continue to rise, and that's exactly what happened yesterday. Yesterday, US market did not fall much, but then the bond market, that is the 10-year-old bonds in the US, have actually started rising higher. Though this actually means naturally people are going to see some investment there. And bonds, a lot of people are investing into bonds in the US. That's exactly why the yield is going up on the 10-year bond. And that is not a great thing for the market, especially the tech sector. So, weakness is bound to continue for some more time. But then, India specific, if you need to look at, there are a few important things to be looking at. So, today we have important result from SBI. So, that should be watched because many times I've seen that when the markets would be struggling for direction is when SBI comes with their result, and many times it has changed the direction. Will that happen this time? Is a big question. So at this point of time, of course, the most important support to be looking at on the technical side would be at 19,000 on the downside, and on the higher side, of course, 19,500 and 20,000 on the higher side. So at this point of time, definitely the all-time high is out of question. Now, what is important to be looking at is where is the market going to consolidate and take a support. So that is something that we need to watch, and of course, that is a great time to be investing in SIP again. So with this in mode of investment, I'm sure you can make some decent profits in the market, and this opportunity of fall can be used as a additional opportunity to buy or invest into the equity market. So that is something that we could expect. Let's see how the market settles. Based on that, we will be adding. In fact, at MPA family, we have actually allocated some good amount of fund into non-equity debt funds, which actually could be utilized to invest into market at this point of time. Also, gold prices have started increasing slightly. That could be also in focus. About some important results that came yesterday. Yesterday, Zomato had results announcement, and of course, that has come out profitable. The last quarter was the first time Zomato as a company has become profitable, though as far as a very small profit about 2 crores, but then it is good to see 2 crore profit. So probably we could see some rally in Zomato today. Apart from that, we could see Titan actually, going down yesterday in spite of revenue going up and profit down. So this is what we discussed yesterday. People feel the profit going down is a big problem, but that's exactly why I say it's more of panic selling. So I am only using this opportunity to add some more Titan in the upcoming days because I am kind of confident on the company at this point of time. Apart from that, if you look at the markets, right now we could also see good positivity in the tire companies. So most of the tire companies have been announcing amazing results. Yesterday, MRF came out with results, and they also have announced a very good result. So that means naturally auto sector is doing well. So tire companies are also doing well. Also, that there's a big restriction on imported tires in India, and that's exactly why Indian tire companies are doing really well. So with the growth of auto sector, Indian tire companies also grow together. So that is also something that is looking good. So this is another sector which I am kind of looking at adding as the time comes by. So these are few things about the market that happened yesterday. So today focus would be majorly on the bank nifty and understanding what is happening with SBI results. Results are coming, I think today post market hours. So effect of that could be seen on Monday, but then of course it would keep the market choppy for some time for sure. So that's it for now. Let us discuss on in more detail on what happened in this week and what could be expected next week on the Sunday podcast, sharp at 7 p.m. in the Market Pulse video. So that's it for now. This is Srikant Rajan signing off. But before we leave, do remember to press the like button if you love the content that we share, and do share the podcast with your friends and relatives, help them learn and invest together with us. Goodbye. Have a great day.